The next tool that we're going to cover is called Nikto. And basically, Nikto is an open source web server scanner that can perform a lot of tests against web servers for many things. Actually, they claim to have over 6,700 potential dangerous files and programs that they can check for. They can check against web servers, versions. They cover over 1,250. They said according to their website, many different other things, right? So it is actually not designed to be a stealthy tool. It does generate a lot of traffic. So most definitely, if you're using this for a pen test that you don't want to be discovered, right? So in a little bit more red team engagement, you may actually don't want to use the tool. But if you're actually just doing, a penetration testing for a specific application that is already on the scope and they're expecting that you will be actually sending a lot of traffic and doing this type of test, absolutely this actually tool is for you, right? So in this example, I'm going to launch Nikto against a server that I have here in the lab, and the server has the IP address of 192.168.78.6, and it's actually listening to port 666, right? And basically what I have in that server is a then vulnerable web application, and the command that I'm actually doing is nikto host, the host IP address, the dash port, and followed by the 666 port. This test actually takes a fairly long amount of time. I think it took anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. But I actually am accelerating the video for the demonstration purposes. And as you can see, actually you can find tons of information coming from, known vulnerabilities to, different requests and error messages that actually can get. So it actually found 19 items reported on that host. And it actually did 7,537 requests, as you actually can see from the output. So yet another tool that actually you can use is very popular among pen testers out there, and they actually have a good support of that tool, and it comes installed in Kali Linux by default, or if not, you can download it from the link that I'm showing in the screen.